Hi, Dr. Miguel. This one is for you. And the question Dr. Miguel asked was, can qigong help with creativity? Now, first of all, some of you may not know what qigong is or where it comes from. Qigong is a water method practice that revitalizes the body, opens up the system, and generates health and vitality. It also increases internal power, and it is the doorway into meditation, at least from a Taoist perspective. Now, creativity. It's hard for people to turn creativity on when they need it. There's often stories about famous writers and they get the writer's block. They've done so much writing and then suddenly they have nothing, no lines, no words, no concepts, nothing. Their creativity is plummeting. So what is causing this? It is a block in the flow within your system, but it is also the mind and the body becoming stagnated. The mind is full, the nerves are full, and therefore there is no space for the creativity to flow through you. So the first thing is all about emptying the nerves and emptying the mind. If you empty the nerves and you empty the mind, you create internal space. The body relaxes, your blood and your qi circulate. This is a good start, but emptying the mind is essential. People seem to think they have to churn thoughts in order to generate creativity. But this is actually what is going to prevent creativity from arising. Creativity is a spark. It is not something you can manufacture. It is something that is intuitive and it comes from deep within an individual. And therefore, when you release the content of your mind and you release what is stuck in the nerves, now that internal spark can flow through you. And it is this space of neutrality that allows creativity to flow. A full mind prevents that. An empty mind allows that to come online. So through breathing, through meditation, through qigong practice, you clear the body, you clear the energy, you clear the mind, and then this natural, intuitive creativity can surface, manifest, and serve you. Now, this is where the Taoist water method is very, very different. Most methods, especially modern methods, it's all about what are you going to get? How do you achieve? What are you going to get for your effort? What are you going to be able to manifest? The Taoist water method is all about removing blockages. You remove the blockages in the body, you remove the blockages in your nerves, you remove the blockages in your mind. And when those blockages dissipate, that is when the creative spark can come alive. That is where your intuition can come online. This is the method of the path of least resistance. This is the method of fluidity and flow. And this is how you get creativity to come into your reality. I'm Paul Cavell. I've been practicing these arts for 37 years and teaching for nearly 3 decades. I'm a senior instructor of Master Bruce Francis, who is a lineage holder in the Taoist water method.